Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on the sine rule. The diagram is a representation of a 25-meter vertical observation tower, TB, and two cars, K and L, on a road. The angle of depression from T to car L is 10 degrees. The angle of elevation from car K to the top of the tower is 17 degrees. B, K and L lie in a straight line and lie on the same horizontal plane as the base of the tower. Calculate the size of angle L. Now it's very clear, there's BKL in the same horizontal plane. It's very clear that angle L is equal to 10 degrees, alternate angles equal. It forms alternate angles with that angle T over there. The next question, calculate the size of KT, and that's where you find KT. Now, in triangle TBK, TBK is the right angle triangle. And remember, when we work with right angle triangles, it's normal, sin, cos, and tan. So the one that will work here is sin 17. And remember, sin's ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, sin 17 is equal to dB over kt. And then you can make kt the subject of the formula, and you end with kt is equal to dB over sin 17, and dB's length is 25, therefore kt is 85.51 meters. Hence, calculate the distance between the two cars. Now you will see on the sketch here, I added TK's length and then angle L, and then also this little angle T2 is 7 degrees. Why? Because if you look at K2, that one is 17 degrees, and then this whole angle there will also be 17 degrees, but that little bit there is 10, therefore T2 can only be 7 degrees. Now the distance between the two cars, that is KL, that's what we're looking for. And we will work in the non-right angle triangle, triangle TKL. And then what we're going to use is the sine rule. So we will make KL the subject of the formula, so we put that one on top. KL over sin T2 is equal to TK over sin L. In goes the values. KL over sin 7 is equal to TK is 85.51 over sin 10. Oh, that's L, yes, sin 10. I beg your pardon. And then KL, when you make it the subject of the formula, you end with 85.51 times sin 7 over sin 10. And the answer, KL, is 60.01 meters. That's the distance between the two cars. In the next lesson, I will discuss the cosine or cos rule. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.